Hey everyone, Namaste, Jai Swaminarayan. Welcome back to my channel, Deep's Home Life. Hope you are all doing well. And today I'm sharing a Pindi chole chana recipe. It's so simple and delicious. You have to give it a try. And I'm using a simple regular basic masala that you can see on my video. But in this recipe, especially you have to use a mustard oil. It must. It tastes better. And yeah, that's it. Hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. And if you are new here, please do subscribe my channel. And if you like this video, please do like, share, and comment. Thank you so much again. And see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye. Annyeong.